Presentation of Alpine Multimedia Interface. The 7-inch touchscreen on the Alpine A110 provides direct, easy access to the navigation controls, multimedia sources, telephone, and Alpine telemetrics functions, as well as the MySpin for Alpine app. Ultra-readable and with a permanent return link to the homepage, the navigation system combines a dynamic map on an SD card with either a 2D or 3D display. Voice control and traffic info are part of the standard package. The multimedia menu gives you access to LW, FM, and DAB radio, and to audio via 2 USB sockets and an SD card port, or directly from your smartphone via Bluetooth. The bespoke Focal and Focal Premium options provide a stunning listening experience. The integrated telephone system uses Bluetooth technology to ensure quality conversations over the vehicle's audio system. The Wi-Fi streaming audio feature can be used to play tunes stored on your smartphone, whilst the voice control is ideal for selecting the contact of your choice. The Alpine Telemetrics menu, Ultra Complete, is fully customizable and accessible by pressing the Alpine logo in the middle of the welcome menu. Performances, engine curves, gearbox settings, and timing information can all be displayed. Compatible with smartphones running under iOS and Android, the MySpin for Alpine app reproduces some of the features of your telephone on the multimedia screen and provides access to the apps.